Tough enough. Tough enough. Oh look, it's got a picture of baby on it. Yeah? What do you think? No, what do you think? Hold on, wait, I gotta take the tag off. Watch out, scissors, sharp. Scissors. Hold on, I gotta get the plastic off. What do you think? What do you think of that? Hmm? Let's go out here. Let's go out here. Let's go out here. Let's see. What do you think? The blue duck. The blue duck. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah. Let's go in here and play with it. Let's go in here and play.
If you don't
No.
can look at it, call it what it is, and take
Can I have it?
if it's not letting you do
Can I
what
see
you
it?
need to do to get where you want to go. This
Can I play with it? Let me see it. Let Nala play. You kicked her into the face. What happened? Let Nala play with it. Ow, claws are sharp. What happened? You like it? Good? Let me play with it. Maybe not.
Maybe.
Schooled ya! You like it?
It's the best.
Can I have it? Can I see it? No pictures. Got a toy out here? Hmm? Is that your toy now? Now it's got it. Go down. Aw, you lost it. What happened? What happened? What happened? Watch out, there's a big limb right there. Careful. Come over this way.